Ever seen a doctor put this to someone's chest and say they want to listen to their heart sounds? Well, what do they mean? The heart has two separate channels of blood flow, both of which are a one-way system. Each time the heart muscle contracts, blood can only travel in one direction thanks to something called heart valves. Heart valves have these pocket-shaped leaflets which close together only when blood tries to flow backwards. The turbulence and vibrations are sent through the blood and can be heard as heart sounds by doctors with their stethoscopes. If there's anything wrong with these heart valves, like being too stiff or being too floppy, this creates extra heart sounds that doctors can then detect and use to make a diagnosis. Tell us in the comments below what to break down next